This is one for the history books, okay?
Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, VSHOW Hair. I've actually collaborated with VSHOW a few times on my channel, and I'm super excited to be trying out their Amazon hair. This is a beautiful wig, as you can tell. You're definitely gonna want to stick around for all the details about today's wig and install. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 13x6 glueless pre-everything, pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-styled with the drawstring Burmese curly wig. Okay guys, this wig is just that girl.
And if God is my witness, now you be my weakness. My no be boss. See your Lua don't bless me. Not true, no be ghost ride. If they say I didn't listen, babe, you're the one that I'm missing, girl. And my darling, would you?
So the first thing I want to do is tint the lace. I just know that I'm putting some foundation on the lace. And if you're wondering how I like to do that, I just put some in the box. I'm not gonna use the box, and then I kind of rub it in and then I apply it to the lace. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this is cute. You can absolutely wear her glueless. We're not gonna do that today. We are gonna be securing at least the sides down. I'm gonna secure about here to here. Just gonna use whatever glue that I can find. This is a good way to cheat your install. Like if you want it to look melted down but still be glueless where the top portion is, this is a great option. Just glue down the sides, girl. No one's gonna know. Okay, and then I'm gonna put some on the other side. This install should go very smoothly and very easily because the wig comes already pre-cut, pre-styled, pre-everything. It's just a matter of securing a few little spots here and there. Okay, we need more glue. One layer of glue is definitely not enough. Okay, so because I know I need 2 layers, I'm gonna go in with another layer here. Guys, if you find your lace is not sticking well around the ear, it's probably because you need to cut into this lace a little bit more. So sometimes you just gotta go ahead and remove a portion of this lace right here. And I promise you, it's going to then lay a lot flatter. If this portion is not secured, your wig is not gonna stay down, okay? That is tip number 1. See, that's what we want, so we're gonna repeat that for the other side. Again, the lace is too big right here, so I'm gonna just remove a portion of that. Not a lot, just a tiny bit. It makes a huge difference. So the main portion is secured, but we still got to get these little flaps. We're gonna repeat that on this side. And let's go over that lace a little bit with some of the foundation. And look, she's still glueless. Don't forget your drawstring, pull it down. And then adjust it and then tuck it inside. Oh yeah, you can instantly feel it get tighter and the back becomes more secure. So she is not going to fall. Gonna go in with some wax stick. Can you guys believe that this is an Amazon wig? You know, I don't do Amazon reviews very often because I don't know why. I just thought that their wigs were just not it. But let me find out they got some cute wigs. The hair feels very soft and it doesn't have a smell to it. The little Burmese section right here is kind of got messed up a little tiny bit. Let me see if I can bring it back a little. It's so much easier when you wrap it around something. Like take this for instance. Just take this and wrap it around. See what I mean? Like, yeah, that just looks so much better. Okay, let's fluff her up a little bit. It's just the length is so cute, right? And the hair is so soft, which I love. I wasn't expecting it to look this cute, if I'm just gonna be completely honest with you guys. I thought it was gonna be like, okay, but like, baby, I'm eating this up. I'm after a particular type of volume, so until I get that, let's turn down the brightness here so you guys can really see. Do you see that? Wow, this is gorgeous. And look at that, like we didn't even do anything. All I did was secure the sides and that's it. Like, that is it. Look at the knots. Everything looks so good. You know, this might be one of my best looks. It might actually be. Cute. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at me. Right? Natural sideburns. We don't want to paste them down. We want everything to look natural because this is my hair. Yeah. Because at this point, it might as well be my hair. Do we see the hairline? No baby hairs, no nothing. Just a tiny bit of foundation and that is it. Girl, this is nice. Oh yeah. Yeah, I feel like Scary Spice from Spice Girls. That's the vibes it's giving me. This is so cute, you guys. I'm afraid we ate up all the crumbs in this one. You want to come up? Up? Yeah. Look at Bear. He got so big now. 7 months old. And we've had you for 5 of those months, I think. Isn't that crazy? You've been with mama for 5 months. Anyways, guys, this wig is just that girl. She fits like a glove. You can wear her glueless, but I found that the ear tabs wanted to be secured, so I secured just the ear portion, but everywhere else is glueless, as you can see. And baby, she is looking so good. I love this wig, and it's actually really beginner friendly. I love the density of this unit. It's super full. You can see it is coiled, so because it is true to length, it looks a little shorter, but when you stretch it out, it gives you that 24-inch, but in its styled form, it's giving more of like an 18-inch. But you know what, girls, I am here for every inch of it because I think this length looks so good in this style. This is the perfect length for this style. I think it's so pretty. It actually feels very lightweight. It doesn't feel dense or really coarse. You actually don't feel like you have on a wig. Even though there's a lot of hair, it doesn't feel like that. Like, that's what I think I love the most about it. I love the pre-plucked hairline. Everything is just that girl. Like, I have no complaints about this wig. It's just one that you're gonna have to add to cart, honestly. Definitely recommend. And Amazon, so you can get this in no time. Girls, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to check the link in the description box if you want to purchase this wig. I'm gonna go now. I'll catch you later in another video sometime soon. Bye, y'all.